Hi everyone, I thought I'd jump on here and show the last of what I have of the Safya stuff that she sent from India. I still have 3 of the little purse boxes. They're absolutely adorable. They have this little handle on them so you can carry them around, but it zips closed. So this is A. If you're interested, you need to email me. My email address will be in the description. Email me and give me the letter you want. And Safya set the price at $15 each. I'm assuming these are handmade, but they're beautiful. Okay, so let's start with A. A has gold jewelry in it that would be beautiful on journals. And it comes with this chain if you decide you want to wear it. But that would be beautiful on a journal closure. I added this little package of sparkly beads to it. And then she has this dangle and this dangle. So that is A. It is all in gold. And it is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure the camera's doing it justice. Let me see if I can lay it on here and get it to look a little better. But it is stunning. And like I said, she set her own prices on them. So they are $15 each. Perfect Christmas gift if you want to do a Happy Mail Christmas gift for one of your fellow crafters. But look at that, isn't it adorable? And what I was thinking too, this is going to be B, is if you want to take everything out of it and fill the inside of it and have a beautiful pin cushion, just put some sari over the top, have a beautiful pin cushion. So B is stunning. It's just stunning. You see that? It's cloudy and overcast here today. I probably should have done this on a sunny day, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video up and show them, because if I have to put them on Etsy, as everybody knows, it's going to be higher. This also has a bag of sparkly beads. Okay. Here is your jewelry that matches the necklace. Here is the chain, which it looks like they're like choker style, but you can use it for anything. Here's another dangle, and this one has 3 dangles in it for some reason. So this one is B. And C is the off-white cream color gold. And I added another little bag of the beads. His stunning earrings. Awesome. From India. So if your eBay resellers interested. 2 of the dangles. And a stunning pendant. Bracelet necklace, and you have the gold chain that goes with that as well. So this one is C, and they are $15 each. Okay, up second I have this beautiful handmade clutch purse with snap closure, and inside you have some sari embellishments. There's 3. This is the last one of these I have. And this is $10. So this will be D. $10 for D. Okay, next up for E, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the $10 little bundles she put together. This has a gold ribbon on it from India. This is a blue velvet, and it has 3 pieces in it. So this is the first one. And look at all these pieces that you can cut out of this. And it is so sparkly and gold. It just is like a crushed velvet. It is so soft and silky feeling. The next thing in it is an applique of a beautiful vase with gemstones in it that are sparkling. And then you have this piece that has so much you can cut out of it. That's the wrong side. Okay. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 appliques, and you have all of this that you can also cut out of it to use over and over. And these are $10, and I have 4 of these. And I'm offering them here on YouTube first because I really hate to have to mark things up to sell on Etsy or eBay, and you know, we have to get our fees out of them. So I want to give everybody that hasn't come to the sales or didn't know about the sales a chance to get them at the same price as everybody else did. So this one will be E, and there are 4 of them. F is $31. Let me put F on here. And these are called mixed pieces, but it's in this beautiful box, little pouch that she put the sari ribbon around. And just look at all the goodies in here. All of this goodness. You're getting some jewelry pieces, you're getting some dangles, you're getting some more dangles, you're getting a little butterfly. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these appliques. You have this beautiful cranberry color cotton lace piece. Here's one of the little pinwheels. Beautiful sparkly applique. You have 2 of these, which are a peacock. And actually they can, oh look, I just noticed they're looking away from each other. That's cool. It would be beautiful on a hand embroidered item. And then you have 2 of these. One of these. This piece. It's a good mixture here for boho journals, for just about anything you want to make. And the purple lovers, here you go. This is a large piece here. So much you can cut off of this and use in different projects. And it is purple. Very purple. Now for my pink friends, we have this one. And it is sheer and beautiful. And you can see it's folded up a few times. Then you have this piece that's folded. Oh, this is beautiful. It's got the green in it. And it's folded over. And I'm not going to unfold them all because it just takes too long to put it back. But we have this beautiful green one with the flowers all up and down it. And it's folded over. Another stunning green piece is folded over. And you have all of this beautiful flowers. They kind of look watercolor, but you know they're not, but they kind of look like it. It's just stunning. This will be a beautiful journal cover. And then it goes on, guys. I'm not going to unfold them all, but it just keeps going on and on. If you're a peacock lover, this is your kit. There's another one. Here's another piece that's folded over. Beautiful fabric. It's got the raised embroidery on it. This has the raised embroidery on it. This has the raised embroidery on it. They are just stunning pieces. And again, these are from Safya in India. And here's another one similar to that other one, but it's a brighter colors. So this is up, and she marked it $31. So I'm going to end this one here, and I have some more to do, but I don't want it to be too long. So the email is katscreativekits, FLA, at AOL, and it's katscreativekits, FLA, all together into one word. But it's still going to be down at the bottom if you want to just copy and paste it. A lot of people are leaving the FLA out. I'm in Florida, so I put the FLA behind it just to make it distinguished, in case anybody else came up with that name. So, let me know if you're interested. Email me with the number you want, and if you want to pay friends and family, it's entirely up to you. If you want me to invoice you, I will do that too. So, I'll be back with another one in a little while. Thanks for watching.